Welcome to New England Tool Corporation. This year, for National Manufacturing Day, we wanted to share with you a little bit about our company and the different jobs that we have here to support all of our manufacturing customers.
New England Tool Corporation is an exclusive distributor for various CNC equipment brands in the New England region. Our customers supply different industries such as aerospace, medical, automotive, and firearms.
Hey there, my name is Robert Schroeder. I went to school for machinist general. I went to Pennsylvania College of Technology in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. I got a degree in machining, and I worked various machine shops throughout the years, and I had a job in a CNC Swiss shop where I figured out that I love CNC machining. So I moved around a couple more places, and then I found my place here at New England Tool, where I was a applications engineer for a bunch of years, and now I've moved into the engineering manager's role here at New England Tool, where I have a few guys they send out on the road doing service applications. We take phone calls, help customers over the phone, keep their machines running. I help the salesmen figure out which machines to pick for their customers, and processes and cycle times and tooling, and we do a lot of things here, but it's a great career to have, is be in machining, and there's different avenues to take. You can go into sales, machining, engineering. It's a great career to start out in.
My name is Brian Klein, and I'm an application service engineer at New England Tool. I started out by going to school at Vinyl Tech Vocational High School. That's where I learned manufacturing, and that's what I do today.
Hello, my name is Bob Jensen. I'm an application service engineer here at New England Tool, and my job is to go out and install and repair machinery, and also program and set up the machines and teach people how to run them.
Michael Ohmann with New England Tool Corp. I am an application service engineer here. I get to work on all sorts of cool stuff, brand new machines, some old machines, get to learn a lot of new things, and get to know a lot about the industry.
Hi, my name is Michał Rzechowski. I'm an application and service engineer. I work for our customers doing installations, repairs, training, and applications.
Hi, my name is Andrew Brown. I'm a service and applications technician for New England Tool Corp. I got my training at Howell Tech, and now I service CNC machines.
My name is Mike Diede. I'm a machine shop programmer and operator, and I manufacture many of the parts we use in our high pressure systems.
Hello, my name is Alex Gorge, and I'm a product manager in New England Tool. I've been with the company since 2004. Graduated from CCSU with a degree in robotics and mechatronics technology.
Hi, my name is Amari Jones, and I'm one of the administrative assistants here at New England Tool Corporation. I've been with the company 2 years, and my day-to-day tasks involve assisting the sales team and the purchasing team with customer needs, quotes, and orders, answering phones and emails to make sure everything in the office helps run efficiently so all of our customers are always satisfied.
Hi, my name is Amanda Volcano. I am the purchasing coordinator here at New England Tool. I've been in the manufacturing industry for about 3 years now. My day-to-day tasks involve inventory management, coordinating the sales of machinery, and miscellaneous parts sales for the customers.
My name is CJ Bina. I'm the Vice President of Engineering here at Robotic Advantage. Being the Vice President of Engineering, I help design robotic automation systems that accomplish menial tasks that our customers need to get done in their facilities.
My name is Diona IVanovic, and I manage business development. I recently joined the manufacturing industry. For the past 10 years, I worked in engineering services, and it's been a really great transition. Here at New England Tool, I work with the sales team and the engineering teams, and we work together on making sure that we provide the best service to our customers.
My name is Armatina. I've been with New England Tool for 5 years. I have a bachelor in architectural engineering technology. My role is a regional sales manager, and my job is to assist customers in developing their needs and wants and deciding on machine tools and types for the Swiss and multi-axis terminal CNC machine centers.
Hey, my name's Chip Bina. I'm a regional sales manager here at New England Tool. I've been in this industry for over 40 years, starting off with running a Bridgeport to programming, through application engineering, and now a regional sales manager.